Brian Kelly here for the Honda Giant, here to show you this 2019 Honda Civic Type R. Just came in on trade, only has 41,000 miles, 5-mile-an-hour bumpers, front and back, carbon fiber lower spoiler, all blacked out grille, fog lights, Lexan covered wraparound headlights, 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheel, lots of tread on the tires, more carbon fiber along the bottom, body side moldings, reinforced steel door beams, solar ray tinted glass, window visors. This car has passed for mechanical inspections, being sold as Honda True, so you get 100 days or 5,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from American Honda. Wraparound tail light. It's got the vents in the back, rear window defrost, wiper, spoiler, timeout brake light, lots of room in the back, backup camera, fold down seats, cargo area cover, carpeted and all-season mats. Spare tire jack and tools are underneath. Subwoofer. Type R is a 5-passenger vehicle. Lots of legroom space. Latch system for child safety seat. Cup holders and storage in the back. Cup holders and storage in the door. Child security door lock. Manual adjustment, including height adjustment on the driver's seat. Got the Recaro style seats. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cup holders and storage in the door. Tweeters. Asked to see the free Carfax report and mechanical inspection sheet. Under the hood, we have the dual overhead cam 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder motor. Type R's front wheel drive. 4-channel independent analog brakes for your safety. Clear reservoir for your winch washer fluid. Engine coolant. Insulated dipstick for oil check and oil fill. Clear reservoir for your power brakes, maintenance-free battery, centrally located fuse box, and access to the air filter. On the interior, you have your driver and passenger side airbags, side impact and side curtain airbags, front and back. Fingertip control for your radio, Bluetooth information display, cruise, tilt steering, intermittent wiper for the front, wiper control for the back, leather-wrapped steering wheel and seats, adjustable armrest with storage, coin tray, cup holders, it's adjustable. Big gulp and another USB. 6-speed manual transmission, adjustments for your suspension, push button parking brake, storage underneath, Apple and Android plug-in plus storage, independent heating and air conditioning controls for driver passenger, touchscreen radio with Apple and Android Auto, day-night mirror, and map lights.
Thanks, Brian. Find this and many more quality pre-owned vehicles at HondaCarsOfBellevue.com. Serving the heartland for over 35 years. One happy Honda customer at a time. Honda Cars of Bellevue. One small step off Kennedy Freeway. One giant Honda savings store.